14th problem. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter from the first ball, and the other ball are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. So, the first ball they have placed at 5 meter, and the next ball after 5 meter they have placed it after 3 meters, that is 8 meter. There are 10 balls in the line. So, there how many balls are there? 10 balls are there. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest ball, runs back with it, drops in the bucket, run back to pick up the next ball, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the balls are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? So, the competitor has to run towards the ball and pick the ball, and it has to put that ball in the bucket. Like that, we have to find the total distance. We have to use the formula for the total distance. In solution, let us write given balls are placed at an equal distance of 3 meter from one another. So, the distance is of 3 meter. The distance between one ball and the other ball is 3 meter. Let us write the distance of the first ball from the bucket is equals to 5 meter. So, they have given the distance of the first ball from the bucket is 5 meter. Next, distance of the second ball from the bucket is equals to 5 plus 3. So, they have given the distance. We have to add the distance between the first ball and the second ball. The difference is of 3 meter. That is why we will add 3 to the first one. So, 5 plus 3 is 8. So, 8 meter. We can write this as 5 plus 1 into 3. Next, distance of third ball from the bucket is equals to 8 plus 3. That is 8 plus 3 is 11 meter. This 11 meter can be written as 5 plus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 5 is 11. Distance of the fourth ball from the bucket is equals to 11 plus 3 is equals to 11 plus 3 is 14 meter. So, we can write 5 plus 3 into 3. So, 3 3s are 9 plus 5 is 14. Like that, we can find up to so on. Lastly, we have to find the 10th ball, the distance of the 10th ball. Distance of the 10th ball from the bucket is equals to, we can write like this, 5 plus. For fourth ball, we have written 3. For 10th ball, we can write 9. So 5 plus 9 into 3. 5. 9 threes are 27. So 5 plus 27 is 32 meter. So this is the distance of the 10th ball from the bucket, 32 meters. Next, we can write for first ball. So the distance covered by the runner to pick the first ball and placing it or putting it in the bucket, the distance we will find out by multiplying this with 2. For first ball, distance covered by the runner in picking up and dropping it in the bucket is equals to 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 meter. First, the runner has to go to the ball and then after picking it, it has to come back. That's why we are writing twice. Next, for second ball, distance covered by the runner in picking up and dropping it in the bucket is equals to 2 into 8 is equals to 2 8s are 16 meter. Next, for third ball, distance covered by the runner in picking up and dropping it in the bucket is equals to 2 into 11, that is 22 meter. Like the same we will find out for the 10th ball. 10th ball, distance covered by the runner in picking up and dropping it in the bucket is equals to 2 into 32 is equals to 232 is a 64 meter. Next, we can write total distance. So the total distance covered by the runner will be like 10 meter plus 16 meter plus 22 meter plus up to so on plus 64 meter. So there are 10 balls. That's why it will be 1, 2, 3 up to so on, that is 10th. So clearly this is an AP. So it is an AP. In this, in which the first term is A is equals to 10. First term is 10, and let us find out the common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1, that is 16 minus 10. So D is equals to 16 minus 10 is 6. Next, and the 10th term, number of terms, N is equals to 10. Number of terms is 10. Let us use the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S n is 10, 10 by 2, 2a. A is the first term, that is 10, plus n is 10 minus 1, d is 6. 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 5, 2 10s are 20, plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 6, 20, 9 6s are 54. 20 plus 54 is 74. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 is 37. So 37 meter. So therefore, total distance is 370 meter.